but I got something that works. It's gonna be snowing soon, and I figured I had to share it with you. Excuse this, the stuffiness. Sinus infections, man, hate them. Anyways, so this is what I finally got it. Let me fire it up for you. Well, wait, before I do that, what kind of mess does one create when doing this? This time was quite small. This time was just, you might ask, where did you get the parts for it? Well, I got some from that drawer, those trays, of course, the toolbox and all the taps, the trays, specifically the metric, the nuts. That one is wheelchair parts, as well as parts from up there. Like this one, make sure bolts. You put the power stop in there, the emergency stop. I've had it just sit and drive me into the wall on one of my first ones. Just kept going and going. I couldn't get it to stop. It sucked. Finally, I was able to yank a battery cable off. But yeah, so my voice. I'm a little under the weather, but at the same, I couldn't be happier. Yes, I could shoot. Oh. I knew there's absolutely no way I would be able to, this excitement would be this genuine, or I could make this excitement is genuine. Even though I'm sick, I am ecstatic I got that thing working. Oh. I had worked on it for a while. I started on Saturday morning because it was snowing. I ended up shoveling. It'd been a great thing to maybe shoot some footage while I was shoveling and say, look, it didn't work, but no, I didn't do that. Oh yeah, and I started shaving and my clipper died. Anyways, I put it away, I quit messing with it. I came back, I think, Sunday morning before the Super Bowl. Started messing with it a little bit, like, oh, I might actually have something. I might have had one that might have figured something out on it. Came back to it today, tweaked a couple things, and oh yeah. Of course, didn't have the footage going when I took it out the first time. Had a small issue, but I'll get into that later too. But it's working. Oh, it's working.